Me too? Me neither. What's the difference? In this lesson, I'm going to give you a super simple explanation. Smash that like button if you love simple things like I do. Okay, so this person says something and you want to agree with him. What should you say? Should you say me too or me neither? Well, this person might say something positive or negative, right? So you want to agree. So it depends if his sentence is positive or negative, okay? If it's positive, like this, then you say me too. If it's negative, then you say me neither. Okay? Look at this. I like pizza. Me too. You're agreeing, right? I love pizza. Me too. Okay? I don't like pizza. Me neither. Okay? Here, you cannot say me too. You have to say me neither because this is negative. Okay, look at this. I've never been to Spain. Me neither. Okay? It's wrong to say me too because the word never here. It's a negative word. So if this person uses the word not or never, then you have to say me neither. Okay, you cannot say me too. Okay, look at this. I don't like pizza. Me neither. Look, here's the word not. This is the word not. It's just contracted. Okay, it's added on to the word do. Okay, so it's this word not is put onto the word do. So that's called a contraction in English. Anytime you see this little thing here, apostrophe, that's a contraction. So look at this. I haven't been there. Me neither. Why? Not. I have not been there. Okay? I haven't. It's the word not. Look at this. I love nature. Me too. Do you love nature? Trees, mountains, lakes. Yeah, you could say me too, right? It's a positive sentence. I don't like nature. Me neither. Right? Got the word not here. Okay? Now look at this. I hate politics. What should you say? This looks like a negative statement, right? I hate politics. Well, do we have the word not or never here? No, we don't have the word not or never. So you have to say me too. Even though this seems like a negative statement, it doesn't have the word not or never. So you have to say me too. Okay? I hate pizza. Me too. Okay, it's wrong to say me neither. You cannot say me neither here. You can only say neither if this person says not or never. There it is. There's your simple English lesson for the day. Guys, for homework, I want you to tell me about something you don't like. Tell me something you don't like down in the comments, and then I can say, me neither. All right, so I look forward to reading your comments. I love you very much, and as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.